This is Syringa vulgaris. It has medium to coarse heart-shaped leaves. It's like 20 feet tall. It has big purple clusters of flowers. This is the Corniceracea, also known as the red twig dogwood. Can get up to from 7 to 9 feet tall and is medium in texture. Has very nice red branches and stuff that contrast really nice with snow in the wintertime also. This is Spirea X Van Hootii. It can grow 6 to 8 feet high, as tall as 10. The fall color is like green to golden orange. They have 3 little lobes on the leaves. They're pretty tiny.
This is a hydrangea arborescens Annabelle. It grows from 3 to 5 feet tall, has green to white flowers. It is one of the hydrangeas that has larger leaves. They stand upright on a single stalk.
We'll zoom in. Oh my god, they're so pretty.
They're so big and poofy.
Don't peel the tree. It hurts the tree.